Everyone already has a digital identity, but what we lack is a way to govern the AI acting in our name. HUGS ID provides one canonical identity with many governed domains, built to control how your data is used, for what purpose, and under whose authority. This technical specification for version 1.0 outlines a stable core for an open working draft. It establishes essential reading conventions and definitions for stakeholders, including developers, researchers, and governing bodies. The vision of HUGS ID is to create a globally interoperable standard that separates identity from data ownership. By creating a governance layer, we can ensure every AI action is attributable to an identity, an authorization, a purpose, and a policy. In the current era of fragmented digital identity, AI poses critical questions that traditional systems cannot answer. HUGS ID provides the solution, turning identity, consent, provenance, and trust into first-class machine-readable objects. Our framework is guided by 5 design principles, with identity first, always. These principles ensure that all governed actions are linked to a verifiable identity and that individuals maintain sovereignty over their information. Our architecture is built on 7 layers. As requests flow up through the stack, trust flows down, ensuring that each layer performs a specific, replaceable function while maintaining defined interfaces. Every governed operation must pass through 4 distinct gates before being finalized in the event log. This process covers identity, governance, consent, and verification, ensuring total accountability. The Canonical Identity Object serves as the anchor for every claim, while intentionally holding no personal records. This approach ensures privacy by design while remaining fully resolvable. HUGS ID defines 4 types of identities and 5 lifecycle states. Critically, only active identities are operable, and all state transitions are recorded in the event log to maintain an audit trail. Authority derives from recognized roots, and prohibitions always override permissions. Our evaluation order ensures that specific policies are respected, creating a clear chain of governance. Consent in HUGS ID is purpose-bound and machine-readable, making it as easy to withdraw as it is to grant. This is achieved through a controlled purpose taxonomy and an automated revocation process. The athlete intelligence domain is our first governed use case. It demonstrates how one canonical identity can manage complex data classes, like eligibility and performance records, across teams, leagues, and countries. For AI permissions, we demand accountability. We categorize 6 permission classes, ensuring no anonymous AI and no blanket authorizations, with every action logged at the time of use. Trust is scored per claim and per purpose, never as a universal flag. We define 5 levels of trust, from unverified to canonical, allowing for precise risk assessment for every operation. Finally, the HUGS ID API acts as an enforcement surface. It mandates strict authentication and evaluation, ensuring that every request, whether for identity, consent, or governance, is fully validated before execution. The HUGS ID roadmap is focused on a stable version 1.0, with future versions planned to introduce full AI agent governance, cross-domain trust exchange, and global identity federation. We invite developers and partners to join us, ensuring all implementations remain compatible with our published specifications. Our core is now stable and open for implementation. We invite you to build against our v1 schemas, report your findings through our documentation portal, and ensure your work conforms to these standards. Your contributions directly inform the evolution of HUGS ID.